A cup of flour weighs 6 ounces. So I go cup equals 6. Okay, that's what I do at the beginning. You should write cup of flour and 6 ounces. You have to put your units. But I still don't know where it's going. So let's keep on moving. It takes 20 ounces of flour to make 12 ounces of bread. Oh, so I have a lot of ounces here. So don't write the word ounce so you don't mix up. Okay? But rather say a cup of flour weighs 6 ounces. So a cup of flour weighs 6 ounces of flour. So I'm going to call it 6F. It takes 20 ounces of flour. So 20F. To make 12 ounces of bread. So 12 bread. Okay? I just ignored the word ounces because it's in all of them. How many ounces of bread, so how many B, can be made from 5C, from 5 cups of flour? Easy. 1 cup of flour is 6 ounces of flour, so 5 cups equals 30F, because I multiply by 5 to go from 1 to 5. So I have to multiply by 5 to go from 6 to 30. So this is my magic number now. 30 flour will make how many bread? That is your question. Now there are many ways to do this. One is called cross multiplication, and something you guys are probably used to doing, and you're probably used to using your calculator. I personally have a quicker way, okay, in my opinion. This is the way I think, and I'll show you. What I do is, just get that 0 here, okay. What I do is the following. I go, well, okay, I need to jump from 20 to 30. What do I multiply by to go from 20 to 30? 1.5. And 1.5 or something and a half is actually something very common on the Bergen Academy Test. Like we all know from 20 to 40 we go times 2, right? We all know that from 4 to 8 we go times 2. What about 4 to 6 times 1.5? What about 20 to 30 times 1.5? What about from 30 to 45 times 1.5? They always like to use that number, so keep that in mind. So from 20 to 30, I do times 1.5. Therefore, from 12 to whatever here, I need to do times 1.5. Now, without using a calculator, how do I multiply in my head really quickly a number by 1.5? I go 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times half is 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. So you always think of it this way. When you multiply a number by 1.5 or 2.5 or 3.5 or whatever, you multiply the whole numbers together first, then you get the half and you add it